AI is everywhere, and it's time to start freaking out because it's legitimately taking over the world. And I'm not saying that to scare you, because AI is a tool that we can use to our advantage. Now, OpenAI is the company that has released the well-known AI software that is called ChatGPT. But they are taking their AI skills to the next level, and they're coming out with this new AI software called SORA. And if any of you have looked at the demos of SORA, it is absolutely insane. So I've pulled up SORA on my computer, and as you can see, it says creating video from text. So what it means here is you give SORA a prompt like you would in ChatGPT, but they can make that prompt into a video. So let's just check out the demos and see how wild this AI is. So the prompt here is: a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated signage. And then they put a little bit more detail in there, but check out the video that they made with this. And this is completely AI. If you didn't tell me, I would think that's a real person. Let's check out another prompt. Drone view of waves crashing against the rugged cliffs along Big Sur's Garay Point Beach. Now look at how crazy the video is that SORA came up with. It is absolutely insane. It looks totally real. So within the YouTube content creation world, you can see SORA will be a huge help to creators because they won't have to go out and get professional drone footage, or they won't have to travel to the beach and take videos of the waves if they needed them. It truly just makes every scenario possible within a YouTube video to be created. So let's talk about YouTube automation. Now, what YouTube automation is, if you aren't familiar with it, it is just essentially having a YouTube channel, but you're going to outsource your daily tasks. Meaning you don't want to have to run this YouTube channel all alone. And with the tools of AI, we can really make sure to outsource these tasks that we have. Now, I don't know exactly when this video is going to come out, but SORA might not be released yet. However, it could be. So with that being said, we have SORA to look forward to, but there are various amounts of AI tools that we can use in the meantime while we wait for SORA to come out. So let's just start at the beginning of it, creating a YouTube channel and just the overall process of it and how we can use AI to help us with that. So the first step of starting your channel is going to be picking your niche, which is just going to be the topic of your channel. You want your channel to revolve around one topic because you want to be targeting a key audience and just one audience. Now, you don't necessarily need AI for this step, or let alone any of these steps that I'm going through. However, we can use it to our advantage in the brainstorming process now. So I've opened up ChatGPT on my computer. Now into ChatGPT, I'm going to put a prompt in. I'm going to say, give me 10 high RPM niches for a YouTube channel. Okay, I did not spell that right. Now we hit enter. Okay, it gives us a little description. Creating a YouTube channel around a high RPM niche can be a strategic approach to potentially generate significant income. Here are 10 RPM niches that could be lucrative on YouTube. And now they've given us a list of 10 different niches and a description of the niches as well. So here we've got finance and investing, health and fitness, real estate, technology and gadgets, business and entrepreneurship, luxury and lifestyle, gaming, travel and adventure, food and cooking, education and online learning, which those are all great niches with a high RPM, meaning these niches are going to be making more money per 1,000 views on YouTube. So what I would suggest doing is maybe writing down a list of your own personal interests and then maybe hopping on over to ChatGPT and see what they come up with, and then see which of your interests overlap with a niche that has a high RPM. So next you're going to need to come up with your video ideas. Now this is something that you could also use ChatGPT, however there is a newer software called TubeMagic. And for example, within TubeMagic, you could say, give me ideas for a travel video. And then TubeMagic would give you a bunch of different ideas to create content within the traveling niche. And then TubeMagic doesn't stop at just that. They can also come up with these scripts of your videos, which is super helpful because then you don't even have to sit down and do all of this research to try to find all of these good travel destinations or places to avoid when you're traveling. So just like that, in the snap of a finger, we have found out the niche of our channel, we've found out ideas for videos, we've also come up with a script, all while using just ChatGPT and TubeMagic. So this is where you could either sit down and record your video, or you could also have a faceless YouTube channel where you need a voiceover, and then you just insert some stock photos and videos, or in the future you could be using SORA AI for these videos. But if you need a voiceover, we can even utilize AI to do that with a text-to-speech software such as one that is called 11 Labs. Now, in the meantime, while we wait for SORA AI to be done, however, it might be done by the time this video comes out, I'm not sure, some websites that have these stock photos and videos for you would include Storyblocks, Midjourney, Dolly AI, Pixabay, Pexels, and FreePic. So these are all websites that you can utilize their B-roll footage within your YouTube videos. Something you could also do is screen record some content from YouTube if you know that it is fair use. But look at that, we're almost done with creating a YouTube video without even really having to do any significant work. So next we have to put all of this together and edit the video. And one of my favorite free softwares that you can use for editing is one called CapCut. CapCut is one of my personal favorites because within their free version, they have so many different tools that you can utilize, and it's just very easy to use overall and to understand. And if you ever get lost within CapCut, something that I always do is just head on over to YouTube and watch some video editing tutorials. So there we go, we already have a video, and this would only take you around an hour or so, or maybe even under that. You could do this in like 20 minutes. And this is perfect for a YouTube automation channel because you aren't having to do any crazy, grueling work here. Now, if we hop back on over to TubeMagic, there are tools over there that can help us come up with different tags that we can use when we post our videos, and descriptions, and just keywords to help our videos reach the correct audience. So that's just a little bit of an overview on how to create faceless content within YouTube just using AI. And I would highly suggest that you use these tools even if you're not relying on them heavily. You can just use them here and there. You could use them to help you just come up with video ideas and then do everything else yourself. Or you could use all of these tools to help you automate your channel. Because in the meantime, we are waiting for SORA at this moment of time when I'm recording this video. So please take advantage of all of these softwares that I have listed in this video. Now, I know this was a little bit of a shorter video and your mind might be flooded with even more questions, and I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. So make sure to click on this video right here. This video has a ton of value in it for starting your YouTube channel and making as much money as potentially possible with YouTube. Because today I talked about the video creation process on a very broad level, but to go more in depth and to understand some of these points that I talked about, make sure to click on this video right here. It is also my brother's video, so please make sure to check it out, and it's basically a free training course. Click on it. Thank you for watching. Bye.